Today I've got the best kind of mod to share with you guys for 3 reasons. A, it's inexpensive. B, it's easy to install. And D, it's practical. Oh, and as an added bonus, it's a fabulous accessory. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a fun mod for you in the form of GearTech Customs Protec splash guards. Here is the item in question. This is for my driver's side. Both, when you order these, you do get a pair, and they both are, for either side. It doesn't really matter. I do already have my passenger side installed. I just wanted to see how simple the install was. The longer piece here on the left goes towards the back of the truck, and this is for the front. And for a quick comparison, here's what the factory splash guards look like. So in addition to being just a little bit bigger in the coverage areas where the factory ones are, these from GearTech, they are at least twice as thick, and as you can see, you get a lot extra coverage here over where your coilover goes right here in the middle to help keep your engine bay just a little bit cleaner when you're out there splashing around in the mud. In addition to that, they are this nice black finish. You can see I just dirtied mine up. That's from the factory one that were dirty. I can't remember if these factory ones came nice and black and clean from the factory before you got them all dirty, but as you can see, they don't really hold up well over time. Mine are about 3.5 years old, and you can see they're nice and sort of tan gray stained, so definitely an eyesore. When I purchased my set, I did go ahead and get a set of their heavy-duty tabs to go ahead and keep them firmly in place. You can see they are just a little ribbed for her pleasure. I mean, to hold it more securely to the frame of your truck. Definitely don't want these coming loose when you're out there off-roading. To install these, all you really need, in addition to both your left hand to hold it and your right hand to put the tabs on, all you really need is one of these fork trim removal tools to pop off the tabs from the old one, and I will put a link down in the description below where I got a nice little set off Amazon for just a few bucks. You can see in here, all we really need to do are remove all the old tabs with the trim tool. So on the left side, this is the front of the truck driver. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. For the back side, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to use all of those holes in addition to this one at the top and the other one here right above the spring.
Years later.
And there's the finished product right there. You can see there's plenty of slack in it to account for any flexing or anything when you're off-road, so it's not going to pop out. Some of these are a little stubborn, so you might need a little mallet to sort of get them in there and give them a good push. I will point out this one on my driver's side, there is something on the inside of the engine bay blocking this hole right here, but as you can still see, I've got, I think there's 10 or 11 of these pegs holding it in, so it is plenty sturdy. If you are thinking about getting a set of these, I would definitely recommend going with the additional sturdy tabs to mount this, because some of the ones I popped off, they do sort of break easily, even though, I wasn't being super careful with them because I know I have these anyway. So if you are just planning on reusing the factory tabs, just be aware that they are pretty fragile. So, and I think these, it's like a $5 add-on, so definitely worth it in my opinion. Alright everybody, if you are interested in picking up a set of these splash guards, they are available at GearTechCustoms.com. I will of course put a link down in the description below. I know they're available for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd gen Tacomas, as well as FJ Cruisers and 4Runners. You can get the full sets like I got with the middle sort of bridge piece to cover over where the shock is, or you can get sort of modular pieces that are direct factory replacements with that front and the back piece without the bridge in the middle. So that's definitely an option you can go with. And if you're interested in getting 10% off, you can use the special discount code SPLASH10. I will go ahead and put that down in the link below, and that'll give you 10% off your purchase. As usual, if this is your first time stopping by, please go ahead and subscribe. Comment below if you plan on getting a set of these for yourself. Help keep that engine bay just a little bit cleaner when you're off-roading, having some fun. Please go ahead and hit the bell notification so you are notified every time I upload, which is twice a week. And don't forget to share the video on your social media and help me get the channel name out there. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in the next video.